Fractions are just numbers. So we'll understand subtracting fractions the same way we understood subtracting whole numbers on the number line. So let's look at a number line that shows that 8 minus 5 equals 3. On this number line, the number 8 is represented by this line segment, and the number 5 is represented by this line segment. To take 8 minus 5, we start at 8 and draw the line segment 5 backwards. So its length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we see that that is the same as the line segment 1, 2, 3. We're going to have the same understanding for fractions. So suppose we want to consider on a number line, what is 11/5 minus 2/5? Well, we'll draw a number line, and notice that this number line is different than this one. It's drawn on a different scale to give me space to mark the fifths. Notice I've divided each unit into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. 11/5 then, I'll start at 0 and mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11/5. What does 2/5 look like? I start at 0 and mark 1, 2/5. To draw 11/5 minus 2/5 then, I'll start out at 11/5 and draw 2/5 backwards. 1, 2/5 backwards. What does that come out to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/5. So 11/5 minus 2/5 equals 9/5. It appears that all we did was take the difference of the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Does that make sense? We have this bag of 11 little pieces. The little pieces are called fifths. We got rid of 2 of them. 9 of them are left. Yes, that makes sense. So now we know how to subtract like fractions. What do we mean by like fractions? That means they have the same denominator. Each unit is cut into the same number of little pieces. They're the same kind of fraction. To subtract like fractions, we just subtract the numerators. So I'm going to have you try an example of this and justify your answer by drawing it on the number line. What is 7/4 minus 2/4? Justify your answer by drawing it on the number line. Pause the video and try this now. Alright, so I'm going to draw a number line showing the fourths by splitting each unit into 4 equal parts. I want to subtract 7/4 minus 2/4. So I'll draw 7/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll draw 2/4. 1, 2. To subtract, I'm going to draw my 2/4, starting at 7/4 and going backwards. What's the result then? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/4 as my result. Is that what I would predict just by subtracting the numerators? Yes. 7/4 minus 2/4. That ought to be 7 minus 2 is 5/4. Now I'm going to have you try one of these that we don't really want to draw on the number line. Subtract 193/100 minus 77/100. Pause the video and try this now. Well, my difference is going to be some number of 100ths. How many? 193 minus 77. 3 minus 7, I can't do it, I've got to borrow. 13 minus 7 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus nothing at all is 1. I have 116 100ths. Notice that sometimes, as in this case, we'll be able to simplify the difference, but we don't always have to. In this case, we're going to skip it.